Mayday. This is Motor Vessel Alpha, call sign Alpha Lima Papa, Hotel Alpha 01, MMSI 234567891, position latitude 43 degrees 23 minutes north, longitude 43 degrees 24 minutes east. I have 10 crew members on board, including the master.
My vessel is on fire. I require immediately assistance. Over.
Okay, Chief Engineer. Copy. We will abandon our ship now. Over. Okay, second mate. Make a distress message to alert all the crew on board and bring all the necessary equipment that we need in abandoning our ship.
Copy, sir.
All the crew members on board, I gather you all here in the starboard side of the ship. We will abandon our ship. Come here immediately. Over.
Officer, over.
Officer, over.
All station. This is Ocean Guard. Call sign Alpha Lima X-ray 87. Three dripping containers observed in 45 degrees 15 minutes north and 008 degrees 15 minutes west. Ship in the area. Keep sharp lookout out.
Pan. All station. This is Eagle 9. Call sign up. Bravo Alpha Tango Delta. Alleged blue tanker appears not under command. It is heading toward Westport Bridge. It may collide with the bridge support. Unknown tanker. Change course immediately. Over.